Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. Now, if you see any flickering on the screen or gauges, that's just in camera, that is not in person. 10,676 miles on the odometer. Of course, it is a non-smoker, smells really nice. I don't see any sticky buttons anywhere. I haven't found any. There's a lot of carbon upgrades. Absolutely gorgeous car, though. I do have it in the manual mode, so I'll do the shifting here. Now the steering wheel is slightly off center. This road is really hard to check alignment, so we'll wait till we get to the more straightaways on the main road. Feels really good there. Yeah, like I said, steering wheel slightly off center. So far, the alignment feels good. Car's still not 100% warmed up. It's getting there though. AC is on. It's very hot outside, but it still has kind of a muggy feel, so I don't think the AC is very strong. Other than that, really nice car. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at the front right wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Now, of course, you could use a little polish on it to really make it pop. 235, 35 19s. These are Pirelli P0 Corsas. I do not see a date code on that tire. It's probably on the inside. Looking at the fender, that looks incredible. You have PPF here, it has aged and yellowed. Side mirror, overall in great condition. There's a couple things just kind of splattered on the sides. They're not chips because I can feel them. That looks good. There's a little chip on the edge. Probably can't see it, but I can feel it. Rest that looks good. Two little chips there. So you can see the PPF here has yellowed. There is a scratch right there. It does catch my nail. Upper side looks good. You have film in here protecting that edge. That still has a couple little impacts there. Date code on this tire is 2013. Pirelli P0, 305/30 19s. Overall, the wheel looks good. Couple little scuffs and scratches. You do have PPF on that front bumper, protecting it. So if you look right there, you can see the edge. Nice, clean though, all in there. They did a good job there. Looking at the headlights, crystal clear. They look incredible. Hood looks awesome. That is a beautiful, beautiful front end. We'll get down low. You're gonna have some rash on that plastic. Some light rash on that plastic, which you cannot see it just walking around the car. All of that looks really, really nice. Date code 2005. So you have a chip there, little chip there, one right there, a couple down there. Little markings from getting in and out. You see the PPF here has aged. I don't think that's a chip, but there's a little mark there. The rest of that looks good. Date code 2005. Edge looks good. Nice and clear on that glass. Taillights look good. Looks awesome. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. And it's dark, dark blue. Looks incredible. Almost looks black, but a very, very dark blue. Ties in with that top. You got carbon all the way around. Looks awesome. Leather here is nice and clean. No sticky buttons here. That trim looks good. Looking at that bolster, looks awesome. Very little wear on the edge. You're gonna see a little bit. Now this trim piece right here is popping out. Looks like the screw kind of popped out. Bottom, that looks nice. Steering wheel, that's in great condition. Those buttons look good. Got the full carbon. Don't feel any separation up there. You're gonna have a little bit of wear. You can see little bubbles there. So you have some separation in the middle here. This side's good. Got that flipped up so you can see all the buttons in here, all the carbon, no sticky buttons. Looks like all of that has been addressed. Looks really, really nice. All right, here on this door panel, you got the carbon. Looks incredible. Handle's nice and clean. All of that leather looks good. Now you do have a little mark right there. That looks nice. Beautiful door panel. Trim looks nice. Carpets, dark, dark blue. Then you have a little bit lighter blue on the floor mat. There's your trickle charger. Now that can be tucked up there, but we wanted you to be able to see it so you know it's there. The seat looks incredible. It's in great condition for the year. Very nice. Look at all the carbon in here. Looks good. And you have some little dry spots just from the sun. That is really clean. The top on this looks incredible with that color combo. You're gonna have a couple little stains here and there, or just maybe it's some dirt, but nice and soft. Little spot here. You know, that has yellowed, kind of hazy. That looks incredible. All of that looks good. Nice and clean. A lot of depth to it. Beautiful, beautiful color.